Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by specialist medical diagnostics company GSS.AX, ASX code GSS. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the CEO of GSS, Dr. John Melki. Hi, John.
G'day, Matt.
Okay, John, GSS has developed a proprietary test by the name of Easy Screen. As I understand it, it can detect infectious diseases. How does it work and how does it differ to what's out there?
Matt, all of our assays are based on our core technology, 3-base technology, which we've been developing over the last 20 years. It's a molecular technology, meaning it's a direct test for infectious diseases. We detect their genetic information. We're different from everybody because of that 3-base technology, which gives us certain advantages both in speed and breadth of coverage of the organisms that we detect.
Okay, well, let's talk about that breadth of coverage. What infectious diseases does Easy Screen detect?
We detect over 100 organisms. What we do is a syndromic testing. So we test for groups of organisms, whether they cause gastroenteritis, sexually transmitted infections, microbial resistance, which is thought to have more deaths due to cancer by the year 2050. We have a very deep development pipeline covering other infections such as meningitis and tick-borne infections. Of course, we pivoted early in 2020 and we developed a test for SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19.
Tell me about your revenue growth over, say, the last 3 financial years. Tell me the numbers, top line, FY19, 20 and 21.
Yeah, 4-year CAGR of 93%. FY19 was 4.9 million, FY20 11.3 million, FY21 28.3 million.
Crazy growth. What about the September quarter and how did it compare to the prior quarter?
Record quarter for us, 12.4 million, and that is up 129% over the prior quarter, so more than double. And in context, I just told you the FY20 numbers, so we did more than the whole of FY20 just in the last 3 months.
And what about the bottom line? What was your free cash position for the September quarter?
Closed the quarter with 2.9 million in positive cash.
Dr. John Melki from GSS, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears today. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company CEO interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB and 3AW websites and click the Public Companies tab.